Hello, I wanted to provide you a simple review of how to make and use a tape diagram because in lesson 16 you'll be making tape diagrams. And I thought I'd talk about this simple word problem. Guilford has 48 pies. 5/8 of the pies are pumpkin. The rest are blueberry. How many of the pies are blueberry? So let's draw our tape diagram. And we know that this total amount is the total number of pies, and we know there are 48 pies. Guilford must like pies. And we know that 5/8 means that there are 8 units of pies. Okay, so 5/8 tells us that we need to have 8 units of pies. And the easiest way to draw this into eighths is to first cut it in half. So 1/2, 2 halves. Cut each of those in half. So a half of a half is a fourth. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half of each fourth is an eighth. So now it's in eighths, and it's pretty close. Okay. We know that 5/8 is equal to the number of pumpkin pies. We're going to call that P. And that leaves just 3/8 for blueberries, and we're just going to call that B. And we're trying to find out how many pies are blueberries, so it'd be a good idea if we just figured out how much 1 was. Okay? So to figure out how much 1 pie is, how many pies are in 1, let's just multiply 48 times 1 unit, which is 1/8, equals 48. We're going to turn this into an entire fraction, times 1/8, which is the same as 48 divided by 8. So we know that each unit is equal to 6. So 6 times 8 is 48, last time I checked. So that means that 6 times, we've got 3, so 6 times 3. Okay, so we know 6 times 3 equals 18. So there are 18 pies are blueberry. I like blueberry pies. I like pumpkin pies. I wonder if there's such a thing as pumpkin blueberry pie. Maybe I'll go make one. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks. Let me know if you have questions.